Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here's a nice little exercise that shows the difference between absolute and relative. Absolute meaning that we are using the dollar signs here because we are going to refer back to a cell as we change and vary the demand according to the price. And so, if we want, you can see here that we have a linear model and we have a nonlinear model. In the linear model, we start out with 20,000 as our baseline, and that's our demand. And then we want to, the variation here is going to be with B, which is 10. So 80 to 90, 90 to 100, 100 to 110, 110 to 120. In this particular case, this is a nonlinear model, and the relationship there is not as easily as intuitive. So what are we going to do here? We're going to take this one, and we're going to start with the linear model. And again, the $B, $4, so $B, $4, $B, $4 refers to the $20,000 that we're going to start with, minus the $B, $5, so $B, $5 is the $10, times A8, A8 being the price originally. So as we increase the price from 80 to 90, the demand decreases from 19,200 to 19,100. Also, if we looked at the nonlinear model, we start out with 20,000, but in this particular case, our variation here is going to be 0.03, not 10. And so, again, though the relationship, although it is not linear, it's nonlinear. We start out with a price of $70, and the demand here again is $4. So $4 is this one, started at 20,000, times D8. Again, D8 is the $70, and minus $5 is the 0.03. So you can see here that this formula and this formula are a little bit different. Okay, but in both cases, as the price increases, the demand decreases. Again, this shows the difference between absolute and relative. If we're going to back and refer to a column, we will use absolute and we will use the dollar sign.